Hello everyone. Our subject is information technology, and we will start our subject with HTML. Okay. Nowadays we know that we accessing the web page, or we suffering our internet. Okay. With the help of internet, you open the different type of web pages and you select your information, or we view our videos. Okay. Table, images, like that. Okay. But by using the HTML language, you can create your own web page. Okay. HTML is nothing but a hypertext markup language, which is used to creating the different web pages. It includes the different text, video, messages, tables, anything which view on your internet browser. Okay. HTML is a simple language, and it helps us to creating the different type of web pages. Okay. It may be a static, or it may be a dynamic. Where the content is moving with the animation text, it is called as a dynamic web page. And when we only see the information with the help of web pages, or the information which is display on the web page is nothing but a static web page. Okay. It is a normal language. It consists different tags. That's why it is called as a hypertext markup language. Okay. We know that HTML stands for hypertext. Means what? We connecting the different web pages in a single form. That means when we told about the website, it consists of different web pages, and with the help of HTML we creating that web page and we connecting that web page in a website. Okay. Markup means what? It consists of the different tags which help us to display the text on the web browser. Okay. And language means a simple language which consists of different elements. That's why the HTML stands for hypertext markup language, which consists of different tag which help us to creating a web page. Okay. The next one, HTML is a standard markup language for creating the web page. What we told about the previous one. HTML describes the structure of web page. Which type of structure we want to see the web page? With the help of different tags, we can creating the web page. Okay. Then HTML consists of a series of elements. Suppose when we want to creating a paragraph on that web page, we use the p tag. Suppose we want to implement the heading on that web page, we creating the h1 tag, or the different type of headings with the help of h1 to h6 tag we can creating on our web page. Okay, like that means which content we want to display on the web page, it providing a different with the help of different tags. Okay. Like suppose we want to creating a table on web page, we use the table tag. Suppose we want to display the image on the web page, we use the img tag. That means HTML consists of different tags which help to display the different text on that browser. Okay. Then HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Okay. The main part is we use the in the HTML language we use the notepad and the web browser. Notepad where we display the code or write the code which we want to display on the web page, and web browser is a software which convert that code or which convert the tags in the readable form. Okay. Then HTML elements label picks the content such as this is the heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link. Like that we display the text in that web page. Okay. A simple example or simple structure of your HTML is nothing but HTML consists basically 4 tags. Number 1, HTML head, title tag and body tag. Okay. HTML is the basic tag which told that the HTML now we can write the code of the HTML with the HTML tag. Okay. The HTML consists different type of tags. Number 1, pair tag, isolate tag, or individual tag, you can say that. And the pair tag means which have the end tag, and the structure defined. We told about the HTML head, title and body tag. These are the pair tag, means we included the ending tag with that, and which we want to content display on that tag we providing within this tag. For example, body tag. ओके. बॉडी टैग यहाँ पे हमने बॉडी टैग का ओपन टैग यूज़ किया है और क्लोज टैग यूज़ किया है, जिसके बीच में हमें क्या करना है, डिफरेंट टैग हमें यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करना है. ओके. वी स्टार्टेड विद द HTML टैग. HTML told us the web page is created now, web page is started now. Then head tag which providing the heading part of our web page. Okay. Suppose we access any website on that website we have the title bar, and there some text is a display on the title bar, and that text will be provided in the title tag, which included within a head tag. Okay, head tag is a pair tag also. Head with your ending tag, we include the ending tag. The next one, body tag, where we actual content is displayed on the web page is right in the body tag. Okay, and body tag nothing but a document area where the actually elements are displayed on the web page. Okay, then example which explain the like that. First one, HTML doc type HTML, which define that the document is an HTML5 documents. Okay, we write the first tag doc type HTML, which provide us or which guide us the document is now HTML document. The next one, HTML tag, which is a root element of the HTML page. Then head tag, head consists the meta information about the HTML page, means within a head tag we use the different tag, title tag, CSS style tag, okay, meta tag, which supported the heading part of our web page. The next one, title, which consists the element which is displayed on your title bar, okay, which is shows on the browser title bar on in the page tab. The next one is a body tag. The body element define the document's body and is a container which the visit, okay, which contain the heading, paragraph, image, table, audio, video, all the parts of all the tags which contain in the body tag. Okay, in the example we say the h1 tag and p tag. H1 tag is used for the heading purpose, and it is the largest heading of your web page. The next one is a P tag. P tag is nothing but a paragraph tag. Okay, we can providing the different alignments, we can providing the different texture, we providing the different body, italic, which are displayed with your web contents or word form that will be displayed with your web page also. Okay, the next one, some elements are there and HTML elements is defined by a start tag, some contents and an aid tag. Okay, the basic structure of your tag is it has the starting tag and ending tag. Before we say that the HTML is a pair tag. Okay, that means a pair which have the starting tag and ending tag. Okay, the HTML is everything from the start tag to the end tag. For example, H1 tag. H1 display the within my first heading within a H1 tag. It display as a heading, big heading of that page. The next one is a paragraph tag, my first paragraph. Okay, where we give the ending tag, that means their portion is completed, and which present in that within a tag, it affect only on that text. Other text is not affected with that tag. Okay. For example, H1 tag, B tag and BR tag. BR tag means it used for the break the line of that section. Okay, BR tag we are repeatedly use that tag in the web page.